Facing issues with Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2.0 not detecting your graphics card? You're in the right place because we're fixing that right now. This frustrating problem often stems from outdated drivers or software conflicts, but we've got a definitive workaround. First, dive into your device manager. Locate your display adapters, right-click your GPU, and choose to update its drivers. If a simple update doesn't work, uninstall the driver completely and restart your PC. Windows will often reinstall a compatible version. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions or corrupt installations, which brings us to method 2, a clean reinstallation of RGB Fusion 2.0 itself. Make sure to uninstall the software from the control panel. Then manually delete any leftover folders before downloading and running the latest version as an administrator. Still no detection. The problem might be in your BIOS or even a physical connection. Our third method involves restarting your PC and entering the BIOS or UEFI settings. Navigate to your PCI configurations and ensure your graphics card slot is enabled. Sometimes even disabling integrated graphics can help. Finally, if all software avenues fail, the most reliable step is a physical inspection. Power down your PC, disconnect all cables, and open your case. Gently reseat your graphics card in its PCI slot and double-check all power connections to the GPU. Often, a loose connection is the culprit preventing Gigabyte RGB Fusion 2.0 from recognizing your hardware. Follow these steps and you'll have your RGB lighting back in action.